Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas everyone. Now, we're open but not open, and what we're going to do the flooring of this workshop. We're not going to do the other workshop, just this workshop. Now, as you can see, the paint has been lifted. We was debating whether should we paint it or what. You know, we have been thinking about it hard and long about this. But if we paint it, it's a good chance it's going to be like this again in no time, and then it just needs to be repainted every time. So what we decided to go for was these tiles. So we had this one sample sent to us. It's a 30mm by 30mm tile. It's quite shiny, so I wasn't too sure about this, and it seemed quite thin. Then we managed to find this one here, which is basically 40mm by 40mm. So a bit bigger, but it's more matte, so it's not so slippery, which probably works out a lot better for us. And also you can tell by the thickness of it. So obviously that one there is a much better quality tile. So hopefully we've got enough to do the workshop. As you can see, all these boxes here. And this is the little plan that was made up to show how many tiles that we should be going through. So let's see how accurate that is. Let's see how good you are. And we'll keep cracking on with it. Now, it doesn't seem that difficult to do, to be honest with you. We sort of like, all you have to do is use a hammer and just bash, 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 and that's all you have to do in each tile. But the tricky bit will obviously be the corners, where it's only going to be part, so we're going to have to cut the tiles. So that'd be the tricky bit, I reckon, but the majority of it will be fine. I'm going to do the ones that you don't have to cut the tiles, because I like that, and then let the other two decide on the cutting side of it. Right, we'll show when it's all done. I mean, just come over here for a second. So I made a start on the edge there because it's easy. That's why I've done that. And you can just see what an improvement already, just having it there, just that there over the flooring. The floor's really smooth, so you know we don't really have to prep the floor at all. All it is just all the paint's been taken off it, and it just looks rubbish really. It's anything that lets this workshop down. It's quite a tidy workshop, and it's just this flooring that lets it down. So what we'll do, we'll show you the video once we've actually finished the flooring, and you can see the difference. But have a quick look, and then. Right, 10 minutes later, no, actually, it's been just over 5 hours. It's all done. I mean, absolutely amazing. And we even got 2 tiles left. So when you have a business, run it with your wife because she knows best. But anyway, so have a look. Right, the whole thing cost us about £2,000. That's just the product supplied. We obviously fitted it ourselves, but absolutely epic. Looks amazing. Really, really pleased in how the outcome is. Just makes it look, just transformed it. It just looks like a different workshop. The only thing that we need to do now is thinking about the lighting. If we're going to change it, do something with it. Haven't decided yet. You know, we need to have a little think about that, what we're going to do. But apart from that, really, really pleased. And being Christmas Eve, we're now going to wrap it up, call it a day. See you later.